If you're holding mask, then you need to watch this video. Guys, what is going on with the chart? I want to dive deeper in, like, what is going on? I saw several comments under my videos. Hey, make a new video about mask. So this is the video. I want to dive deeper because the market cap is at 7.8 million and we made some nice profits. I have to say, we made some nice profits. We bought exactly the dip here. Then we run it up from around 12 million to around the top, 28 million. So it was more than 100%. Then we saw another opportunity with another dip. And then of course we sold again. But right now the chart is diving deeper. And some of you are maybe worried like, hey, what is going on? Do I need to sell everything? Do I need to get out as soon as possible? I have to say, like, I can understand your feelings. Like, you're feeling like, oh, you bought here, you bought there, and then you lost 50%, 60%, you're still holding because you're diamond handing. So we need to dive deeper in what is exactly going on in the wall market, not only into this project, because the wall market, if we check out the others market cap, is tanking down, especially meme coins. One of the biggest meme coins in the space on base chain is Bread. It did very well this cycle, reached an all-time high of above $2 billion. And look at this project right now. It is going down more and more and more and is now sitting below $400 million market cap. So for Mask, it is quite normal to also have a pullback. And the only thing that I can say is we need to put a mask on, guys. We need to put the mask still on. There's no other way out here because the mask stays on. And during these levels, you need to buy. I'm not saying you need to buy because it will guarantee 100% profit. I'm saying if you want to make profits into the crypto market, you need to buy when other people are fearful. And nobody in the space is right now talking about crypto. They are all playing outside, the summer is coming, they're cashing out. But the people that are dedicated right now in this season, when nobody's talking about crypto, those are making the profits. So when the chart is at this level, we had 2 times in history here, we have here, we were in the same level. Of course, we can go lower, it is possible. But I am buying more at these levels. I am buying more. And the reason for that is because most of them are out. But soon as the chart goes up, again like this, they get FOMO. They will buy more, which brings the price even more higher. So what is my strategy? As an example, I want to invest $5,000 into Mask. I am not buying $5,000 right now. I'm buying $2,500 here. As an example, we go to 4 million. Then I buy another $1,000. Then I have 3,500 in. Now the price tanks more, Bitcoin is going down. I am buying more, like $1,500 at, as an example, $1 million. And I'm only doing the last one when I see the team is still active and pushing hard. So what I do is I go to the Twitter page. I still see that the team is pushing hard. They post actively. They even have this guy.
The fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
This guy is still there, so he's rocking. I love the vibe of the wall meme coin, man, guys. I love the vibe so much. And the guys are so super active. And yeah, like, what can we say? Like, the project is still active. The wall market is going down. Not the wall market, Bitcoin is going up. But, I mean, you get what I mean. Like, Bread is down. Other meme coins are down. The other market cap is down. So it is very normal to see that the price of Mask is also going down. But you see the compression, right? This is the 4-hour chart. We see that as soon as we get here, we don't go below it. People are start buying at these levels, but also we see some people start selling. So what is going on? The price is like pushing together for a period of several hours, and let's see how things goes. I think personally we can move quite up here from here because there's interest here, there's interest here, there's interest here, and the smart people are buying when other people are fearful. So I am buying more, and this is not the only project I'm buying right now. I'm buying multiple projects, and I'm making videos about these projects. I want to guide you through the madness into the crypto market. So if you want to stay up to date about crypto projects I am buying and selling myself, then you need to follow me on YouTube. So click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.